Ooh, oh, hey there, baby. Ooh, say hello to the camera. Hey, say hello to everyone on Boo. Okay, stop it. Hey guys, how's it going? Currently I'm waiting for David to come to my house, and then today's plan is pretty much just whatever, I guess. But today's goal is to clean the Supra, clean the WRX, and then I guess just goof around and just, I don't know, show you guys what we are, what Shindeiru is about.
Is that who I think it is?
Yeah, there he is. Our boy David. Ambu's just staring out.
Who's that, Ambu? Who's that? Yay!
Oh yeah, sweet.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Oh no, don't peel it. What are you doing?
Oh yeah?
What are you doing? No! Bro. No way.
Oh shit! My pain! Oh shit! Woo!
Bro. Alright, so we just drove back from gassing up the Supra. Now we're just gonna do a quick clean of the car. Here's the Supra right here in all its glory. Alright, finally got done cleaning the Supra. Man, I forgot how tiresome it gets when you clean a car. Hand wash this thing. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty straight. What do you guys think? Being kind of angled, really kind of weird, so you guys can't really see it. But fuck it, let's do it. We fucked it up, guys. We fucked that up real bad. Alright, so we came back inside the room, or inside the apartment. We're just chilling now. So you want to tell the viewers what Shindeiru is all about?
So Shindeiru became popular from a song, and then from that song, we just decided to make a brand off of it.
Was it from a song?
No, it's from an anime first.
Yeah, there's that famous line. If you're like a big anime nerd or geek, then you should know the famous "Omae wa mui Shindeiru."
Oh yeah. So all of our clothing, merchandise, everything will be based off of
just like this hat right here, Shindeiru.
Where can you buy this
just like that shirt? Well, this shirt is more of the first mock-up, right?
Yeah. So anyone who has this shirt,
he has an OG. That's the mock-up. This is actually the new one right here.
And then this is the pre-new one, and then there's a
this one is the pre-new one, and then we do have a new one. Man, we keep switching, man. People
it's
like,
cool,
what the
whatever
fuck,
works.
Brad? Alright, so we're gonna attempt another banner on the back of the car with the Supra. So this one we got the white version, so let's see how that goes. Alright, so it does look good so far. Shindeiru looks pretty centered to me. Just hit yourself, bro. Oh, it looks sick. It's official. The score is official. Alright, we are gonna take the Subi. The dirty ass Subi.
You really should have cleaned this one if you were gonna do the vlog in it. It's messy.
We're gonna clean it later. Yeah, we're gonna clean it later. It's my baby.
Look what he's making me sit in. Look at this.
Well, shit. Taking a piss, bro. So yeah, the local area here while Harriet and David's gonna go grab some food. And this guy's peeing again at these turf. Look at this art right here. This is crazy. That's some crazy art. I kind of want to shoot in here, you know, with a car. That'll be pretty dope. Tell him to sit. Oh, it's a good lay down. Oh, you can eat a pop. Good boy. Here we go. Yeah, man, we be eating good. It is.
And then it's off for Thursday.
Stop it! I look terrible!
No, you look pretty good.
No, I look like a fat pig.
I need some memories.
I need some memories. Oh my god, you're so cute. You're so scruffy. You're such a scruffy little dog. You getting colder, David? Mm-hmm. What's the time?
8:32.
We said we're gonna
8:05.
we got dinner around what?
6:30.
6:30, and we came back just to like take a quick 30-minute nap, but we were just fucking on TikTok for like an hour. All right, we are here at my local car wash place. This is like the same car wash place that I met my best friend Mark. So yeah, let's try to get this done.
How's it going, everybody? David here at the car wash, and we've got to wash Fung's second car. Whoop-de-doo. I hope you guys enjoyed the content created today. We just had a lot of fun catching up together. It's been a great time so far, this whole business, the whole Shindeiru thing. My car. Rest in peace, paint job.
Man, what a day. We didn't even get to install the camera for the Supra. Yeah, fix the side splitter on the WRX. We managed to clean 2 cars. So we're gonna end the vlog here. I know tomorrow is gonna be the Kyoto night market. David, you wanna say anything, any last words to our viewers?
Thank you guys so much for watching us fail at everything today. And I hope you guys enjoyed what you guys saw. We hope to upload at least once a week to give you guys some content.
I also made an appearance. Yay, I contributed.
All blurry. Alright, later guys.
Bye.